Hey, fifth graders, we are ready to start part 2 of chapter 9. I'm so glad you were able to find me on the next video. So here we go. Now, a lot to remember, but try to remember them. And if you forget them, you can turn to page 86 in your book, and it lists all the gifts in that box. It lists all the gifts and gives you a little bit of a meaning for each of those gifts, okay? The Holy Spirit was sent by God and Jesus, so that there will be left an advocate, someone who speaks up for us. So when Jesus left the apostles and ascended into heaven, he then sent on Pentecost the Holy Spirit to be with the disciples. So the Holy Spirit is an advocate who speaks for us, sticks up for us, and defends us. The Holy Spirit comforts and teaches, and the Holy Spirit and the gifts strengthen us to share in Jesus' ministry. And our response to the gifts of the Holy Spirit is a life that is filled with the fruits of the Holy Spirit. So if we are able to put these 7 gifts of the Holy Spirit into our life and use them and work with them and help us to be strong and courageous, the gift of wisdom and understanding and reverence, the gift of knowledge and courage and right judgment, and the gift of wonder and awe, those gifts will, if we live them and try to keep them in our life, will bear fruit. Will lead to the fruits. What do I have here? A fruit bowl. The fruits of the Holy Spirit. So the fruits of the Holy Spirit are love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, generosity, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Were you counting how many gifts, how many fruits of the Holy Spirit are there? 9. 9 fruits of the Holy Spirit. And when we live out the gifts of the Holy Spirit, then the fruits of the Holy Spirit become abundant in our life. So, love, joy, and peace, patience, kindness, and generosity, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Those are the fruits of the Holy Spirit. So, when you're eating an apple or a banana or a grape in the near future, I want you to think of the fruits of the Holy Spirit being love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, generosity, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. All right? Okay. So in the link below, as well as on the website, under homework, you will see the link for the video that you need to watch, and it'll be a video about confirmation. So you want to give that a look and watch that. And then what else do you have as a... Oh, that's it. That's your only homework, is to watch a video. So that ends chapter 9. So I'm going to ask you to practice the Nicene Creed on your own. Practice it with your family. Practice it when you go to bed. Practice it morning, noon, and night, so this way you memorize it, okay? So the Nicene Creed is part of what you have to practice until we see each other again. Have a blessed day. Bye.